Hey guys, this is Jeff and VP from Mend, Colorado. This will be our second part in the two-part series on hip impingement. This video is going to focus on how we can strengthen the hip muscles, but still provide some space to the hip. And as we wait for the glutes to get stronger, it can be very helpful to give a little bit of space in the hip using the same mountain bike inner tube. So again, utilize a pole to wrap this around, or slip it on the hinge side of the door and close the door towards you. Make sure you have a very secure lock before you do these exercises. So this one's going to look just like our setup for the distraction exercise. You're going to use the figure 8 around the ankle to provide a long axis distraction. And with the distraction, VP is going to use his glute to press the heel towards the floor, engaging the back glute muscle and back up. So we're combining that distraction movement with the active contraction, engaging that glute max in the back pocket of your shorts as you press the heel towards the floor. Again, we're looking to avoid any pinching in the hip. You want to try to feel the hip muscles contract, but make sure that it's pain-free. Now the second option would be to target the muscles on the side of the hip. That'd be more of the glute medius. So on this exercise, you're going to lay on your left side, or the non-affected side. Same long axis traction. And now you're going to lift the leg towards the ceiling and then lowering back down. Very important on this to make sure that the body and the shoulders are perpendicular to the floor and you're not cheating by rolling forward at the shoulders or bringing the hip forward. You want to make sure that the foot is in line with the hip as you lift and lower, or bringing the foot slightly behind the hip to really engage those back glute muscles. So again, try to think about the back pocket of your shorts and not engaging the front pocket of your shorts. Now as you transition into more weight bearing, you want to try to progress into more of a bilateral stance, and using a sit to stand movement or a goblet or an air squat is a great way to do that. So VP is going to move into his sit to stand movement, but provide the lateral distraction with the mountain bike tube. Again, trying to avoid any pinching in the hip and try to sit back equally through both hips. Don't allow your non-affected side to take over from the movement. And if you're doing well with those exercises of non-weight bearing and progressing into both legs, you can progress into a single leg movement from this position, utilizing the reverse lunge, which is a great exercise to target the glute muscles. So our reverse lunge targets the glute max as well as the quad. So it's a great exercise for you to target both muscles involved with stabilizing the hip joint. So again, combining mobility and strength before transitioning to pure strengthening exercises. Great. I hope you enjoyed the two videos, and stay tuned to Facebook and our social media for more videos coming forward. Thank you.